In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate calories on MyFitnessPal with this easy guide. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting, this walkthrough will guide you through the steps you need to manage your calorie intake effectively. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Google and search for a calories calculator. This tool will help you determine how many calories you should be consuming daily based on your personal data. Once you're on a calories calculator page, enter your details. This typically includes your age, gender, weight, height, and any other relevant information the calculator asks for. It's important to input your details accurately to get the best results. Now you'll need to select your activity level. Usually these range from sedentary to very active and depict your day-to-day lifestyle and exercise habits. Choosing the right activity level is crucial because it directly affects your calorie needs. After selecting an option that best represents your activity level, click the Calculate button. This action will present you with a result indicating the number of calories you should aim for each day to maintain or adjust your current weight. Next, open up the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so. Click on the login option and enter your email address along with your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be directed to the home page of the app. Look for the section labeled Calories and give it a tap to access more options. From there, proceed by clicking on Goal. Here you can tailor your fitness plan to meet your specific needs. Select Calories next to enter the calorie figure you calculated earlier. This step personalizes your profile based on your unique caloric needs, helping you stay on track with your goals. Once you've entered the number, make sure to click on Save to store the data. With your calorie goal set, tap the arrow in the upper left corner of the app interface to go back. Now click on Diary. This is your daily log where you can add all the foods you consume throughout the day. To add a meal, click on Add Food. You'll be able to search for various foods, each with its specific calorie count. Tap the plus sign on your chosen food to add it to your diary. Once you've added your food items, you'll be able to see both the calorie content of each food you've logged and how many calories you have left for the day. This visual tracking makes it easier to adjust your food intake as needed, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your calories and keep an accurate record of your dietary habits with MyFitnessPal. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.